I now give the floor to His Excellency Mohammed Waheed, former President and Special Envoy of the President of the Maldives.
Rais Abdullah Yamin Abdul Qayyum ge khasa mandube ge haysiyatun aliftal ge fastoras nuwanamu majlihuka taqrir kurabamun kurig Rais Dr. Muhammad Wahid Hassan Manik vidalwi haddufan alafawa baige aimatsa mustaqbal battan kuran du kolluma medu duniyen goten nimman jehifawa kamasha efada jamaat ka dekola muli duniye west heduan jehifawa kama haddufan alafawa hanguram veri jamaat kamawa Islamic State ISA efada ehem wes harukashi dini fikuruge jamaat ka rajyen abadus dekolu hada kamasha emiunnaki muslimunna dekolu baikama kurige Rais Muhammad Wahid vidalwi Iraga Syriage bodbaika Islami dawlaten ufaddagen kamabune harikatirwamunda ISaki Islam dina dekolu ladini terrorist jamaate kama Dr. Wahid vidalwi Emanik fan vidalwi IS fada haddu fana alafawa harukashi dini fikuruge jamaatekaki ladini baikamasha emihunnaki Islam dina dekolu terrorist jamaate kama
Islam's identity as a religion that supports innovation, knowledge and scholarship is slowly eroding away. The golden era of our religion is almost forgotten. Today, the world has a choice to make. Should we allow extremists to shape our future? Or should we take decisive actions to defeat these extremist ideologies? Our answer to these questions will define the way in which we deal with the so-called Islamic State and other terrorist groups.
Dr. Wahid vidalwi IS fada dini gotun haddufana alafawa jamaatakun zuwanu namma goluwalumun genda kamasha mifada haddufana alafawa fikurtake sababun Islam dinuge hagige mihunge tereka oli dinge tasawwaru kilambuwa munda kama Islam dinaki harukashkamge dine nun kamasha ei oga terikama ekwerikam dine kama ves Wahid vidalwi Duniya hingamunda hamanu jontaka le horuwantakan aliyaluwa lawahak fulu dakkamun Dr. Wahid vidalwi adivis Gaza ge rayitun tibi aluwete fakama Palestine ge Gaza ge rayitun adekolan Israelun hingi mi uduan ku verikurawamun Rais Wahid vidalwi Gaza ya dekolan Israelun alafawa datikurum ge fiyawaltan adivis natta anulewe kama Badjahuma bongelun huttumaki daimi halle nun kamasha Israel ge rayitun ke gota Palestine ge rayitun na minivan dawlate ge gotuka diriyolum ge fursat onnan chehen kama rajsen gabul kura kama ves Wahid vidalwi emanik fan vidalwi Israela Palestina demedu sulha ge wahakta fashion chehe kama
After the global outcry and the outpouring of condemnation, when the guns stopped firing and the bombs stopped dropping, the world seems to have moved on to the next crisis. The news cycles have found their next headlines. Yet, we remind you here again, the siege is not over. The blockade has not ended. Gaza has been destroyed. Developments set back several years. Palestinians are still being denied their right to a sovereign nation of their own, to their own lands.
Rajye ge insani hagutokke halat oikota behegotun wahak fur dakkamun Rais Dr. Wahid vidalwi Rajye ka insani haguta dirwa insani hagutan himaye kurmaki dive sarukaru ge en asas kama Rajye ge kanun asasin insani haguta furihamay rakkater kurei fawa kamasha namas insani haguta ka gule siyasatan hardana kurum ge masekke kuranche kamasha insani haguta ka medu rayitun helun ter kurwanche kama ves Dr. Wahid vidalwi
Promoting and protecting human rights is central to Maldivian democracy. Our constitution is very clear on what those rights entail. Yet with every right comes responsibilities. It has been a daunting challenge to make human rights a way of life. This is why the Maldives advocates cultivating a culture of respect for human rights. Policies need to be rights-based. People need to be rights-minded.
Raj e demokrasiya kuri daturuga tafatu tajribata ke kuri kamasha mi vetvedi ahartaka ki Raj e demokrasiya ka bodeti gonjiunta ke kurimatvi ahartake kama Dr. Wahid vidalwi emanik fan vidalwi party system a votlum ge miniwankan ekani digen qawmeka demokrasiya ge usulta kuri neru ene kama ege badalga demokrasiya ka ekomi ge rayitunga khiyala bæverivun oigen kuriya gendeve verikam ge nizamen onnan chehe kama Rais Wahid vidalwi